evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Turn on your videos, everyone. Okay, Shrikar,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get to know what was your doubt yesterday?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Everything is clear.
Everything is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no doubt that you had a doubt yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll any doubts from yesterday's class? Complementary angles? Doubts ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. I know you people have not understood at all. I know. ಮತ್ತೆ revision class ಅಲ್ಲಿ again I have to explain everything. I know my students will. Okay, anyway, let's move on. Today we will discuss about standard trigonometric identities. Okay, identities basically they are nothing but the formulas what we have. Okay, those are called as the identities, and here in trigonometry we have got three standard formulas. Write it down, the three formulas, and you need to remember them. Very important. Write down sin square cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosecant square a. You have to remember this. There is no shortcuts or nothing. You have to remember all the three formulas. We will be using this to solve, few of the other questions. Make a note of all this. Just a second. Okay. Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you remember this? So this formula, see, you have to, like, this is very simple, the first one, which is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. For the other two, what you can do is 1 plus tan square a and 1 plus cot square a, where you have plus and 1 plus and 1 plus in both the formulas. Okay, 1 plus tan square and the reciprocal of tan is cot. So 1 plus tan square, 1 plus cot square. Okay, so when you have 1 plus cot square a, you have cosecant square a. You can remember this CO and CO. The ratio which starts with CO and CO are together in one formula. Okay, this is how I remember the formulas. You can use any of your tricks to remember. I'm just teaching you how I remember them. Okay, and 1 plus tan square is the opposite of cosecant is secant square. That's how you remember. So 1 plus tan square is secant square. 1 plus cot square is cosecant. So remember this, that CO comes together with CO. And this is easy. First one is easy. Cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is a trick which I use to remember the formula. If it is easy for you, you can use this trick, or else you can use your own trick to remember them. That's up to you. Finally, the thing is you have to remember these formulas. That's it. However you remember, not my problem. You can use any of the tricks to remember. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll start with the problems directly. First one. Take down the first one. Express the ratios cos A, tan A, and secant A in terms of sin A. How do you do? You have to express cos in terms of sine, tan in terms of sine, and secant in terms of sine. So first of all, we'll use the standard identity. We know that sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We know this, correct? And we have to express this cos in terms of sine. So send the sine to other side. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. So cos A is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sine square. Yeah, so we can see that cos A is represented in terms of sine A. Next we have tan. We know that tan A is nothing but sine A by cos A. Correct? So sine A retain as it is. In place of cos, I'll write this square root of 1 minus sine square A. So tan A is represented as sine A by square root of 1 minus sine square A. So lastly, you have secant A. Secant is 1 by cos, so 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is square root of 1 minus sine square. So this way we can represent cos, tan, and secant in terms of. Done? Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Matadro.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Try this. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta using the identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You have to use this identity to solve this. Take the LHS and prove the RHS. In trigonometry, most of the questions we do like this only. We will take the LHS part, solve it so that we get the RHS. That's how we do. Take the LHS. Right? Express like sine, cos, whatever you have in such a way that you get tan theta and secant theta because you have to use the identity secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So to use this identity, you need to have secant and tan in your LHS. So modify your question in such a way that express sine and cos so that we convert them into tan or secant. How do you do? So write down the LHS and divide everything by cos theta. Try. Are you people solving? Write down the LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay. So divide this LHS by cos theta. So what happens? You have sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. That is in the numerator. So in the denominator, you have sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Sorry, this is supposed to be minus. Sin by cos is tan. So tan theta, cos theta cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 by cos is secant theta. Divide by sin by cos is tan plus 1 minus secant theta. Any doubts still here? So now we will group tan and secant together. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. So then you multiply and divide by tan theta minus secant theta. So what happens? Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta by tan theta minus secant theta. So in the numerator, you will have multiply tan theta plus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So it is of the form tan square theta minus secant square theta minus 1 into tan and secant is tan theta minus secant theta. And in the denominator, you just multiply. You cannot apply any identity. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. So here tan square theta minus secant square theta. So using this identity, tan square theta minus secant square theta is minus 1. Okay. So minus tan theta minus into minus is plus secant theta divided by denominator is same. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. Okay. Next, minus 1 minus tan theta plus secant theta divided by, take minus common here in this term. It will be minus, if you take common, you will have minus 1 minus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 by tan theta minus secant theta. Take cancelled, you'll be left with minus 1 into 1 by tan theta minus secant theta. So that is equal to minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay, if you take minus common, we will have secant theta minus tan theta. So minus and minus is cancelled. We will be left with 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Separate the. Oh, okay, that's your RHS. That's it. You can just stop when you get the required result. That's it. I know it is quite big problem, but you need to practice. If you practice, it will be easy for you. Done, everyone? Anyone still?
No, ma'am, 1 minute, I'm writing.
Tell me once you're finished. Okay. Any doubt? Do you want me to repeat any of these steps? Ask me if you want me to repeat. Write neatly without any mistakes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Yeah, try this. You have to find the value for this. Sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree divide by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degrees. You have to use complementary angles concept. Try it out. Let me see. Yes. Express sine in cos or cos in terms of sine. What do you do?
Done, ma'am.
What is the answer, Karan?
Ma'am, it's one. Ma'am, it's one.
Yes. So I'll just convert the sine to cos. 63, I can write it as 90 minus 27, correct?
Seven.
So sine square 90 minus 27 degree.
And cos square equals 90 minus 73.
Yes. Cos square 90 minus 73 plus cos square 73 degree. What is sine of 90 minus 27?
Ma'am, it's cos theta.
Yes, that, so I can write cos square 27 degree. Okay. So sine square 27 is written as it is divided by what is cos of 90 minus theta?
Sine 73.
It is sine theta. So I can write this as sine square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degrees. So we know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, right? So here we have cos square 27 plus sine square 27, which is nothing but 1. Divide by, in the denominator also, it is sine square 73 plus cos square 73, that is also 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. That's the value. Clear with this?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Pavan, still writing?
Oh, ma'am, done.
Okay. Next. You have to find the value of this as well. Write secant as 1 by cos and tan as sine by cos, and then find the value. Got the answer?
Just a minute.
So secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Then,
Sine, yeah, ma'am, sine A by cos A.
yes, tan A can be written as sine A by cos A. Just substitute in the equation there. Equation is secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sine A. Secant is 1 by cos plus tan A is sine A by cos A into 1 minus the 1 minus sine A, I'll write it as it is. So here cos A in the denominator and 1 plus sine A in the numerator into 1 minus sine A. So in the numerator you will have 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. That's nothing but A square minus B square. So it's 1 square minus sine square A divided by cos A. What is 1 minus sine square A?
Cos square A by cos A.
Yes, it is cos square A divided by cos A. 1 cos and 1 cos is cancelled. We will left out with cos of the answer. Clear with this? Done? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Try this. take the LHS first. Secant theta minus cot theta whole square. This is of the form a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, a is cosec theta and b is cot theta. Apply the formula. So we'll have cosecant square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 into cosec theta into cot theta. So cosecant square theta plus, okay, instead we can write cosecant as 1 by sine. So it will be 1 by sine square theta plus 1 by cot as, I can write cos square theta by
Sin theta.
square theta minus 2 into cosec is 1 by sine theta and cot is cos theta by sine theta. So add these two since they have got the same denominator. Okay, or what we can do is sine square 1 by sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine square theta minus 2 cos theta, multiply the denominator square. Sine theta into sine theta is sine square theta. Now you can see all the denominators are same, so you can add the numerator. So sine square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. Any doubts still here? Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next. 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. What is sine square theta? Use the identity and tell me what is sine square theta.
And 1 minus cos square theta.
Very good. It is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So I'll write. And this one here in the numerator, 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta, I can write this as 1 square. So this is of the form a minus b whole square, where a is 1, b is cos theta. So I can write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square. Divide by denominator, it is this also. I can write 1 square minus cos square theta as 1 minus cos theta into 1
1
plus.
plus cos theta.
So this 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta will be cancelled. We will be left with 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That's your RHS. Yeah. Done.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Take down this question as a homework. Take it down fast. This is for homework. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant. Homework. Done?
117.
Done?
Just one.
Yes, ma'am.
Take this also as homework. Hints are given for you. 1 plus secant A by secant A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus sin. Any questions for the homework? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, Pawan,
I'm just one.
finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down this. You have to find the value of 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square. You have to find the value of this. So what we'll do, I'll just express this tan in terms of cot. So I'll have 1 plus tan is 1 by cot. So 1 by cot square A by 1 plus cot square. Take the LCM. Cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A whole divided by 1 plus cot square A. So the numerator will be cancelled. We will be left with 1 by cot square A is equal to tan square. The value of this 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is tan square A. Any doubts with this? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, any doubts with this? Take a break and come back. We'll solve 2 more questions. Take a break.